Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
The all-new Daytona Nissan. We make it easier. Easier because 19 acres of 1,000 new Nissans means we have the right vehicle for you. Easy to own because every new Daytona Nissan comes with a lifetime warranty. And easy to service because the state-of-the-art facility and express lane makes servicing any vehicle easier. Easy to enjoy free refreshments and Wi-Fi while the kids play. Waiting is quick and easy. Come check out the all-new Daytona Nissan just under the big flag at the Automall. I-95 at MPGAll Boulevard.
Make your move to Daytona Nissan.
At Daytona Nissan, it's easy.